This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3629 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Burma Decor, Arctic Maple Glaze Cabinetry-MF interior, sleeps 4, stove top burner, smoke detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, Skylight, Colorado Detector, Slideout, self-contained, external shower, TV antenna, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3629 is built on a Ford F53 26000 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.